Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get mods in Sonic Mania Android port by Thunder Plays. So now let's get started. First go to Screw and search Sonic Mania mods. You have to search this and go to the first one and then pick any mod you like. So I'm gonna pick the so I'm gonna pick this one.
And engineer Voltaire Affinities.
If it is called RAR,
Welcome to
then you just follow my step and it's easy if it's zip.
First order of business. It's an update.
I'm gonna download two mods,
Miguel. Choose.
RAR and zip.
Thank you, Mano.
What
Ito
more?
may paalala sa inyo na wala kayong dapat alalahanin. Patuloy pa rin ang mga tauhan natin sa paghahanap kay Miguel.
Like Sonic.
Miguel is nothing without us, and he's nothing against us. Here, here.
You know it's it's not zip. So I can't find any more. So we're gonna go search this.
Having no such good stuff. So he needs pedigree with complete and balanced nutrition that helps support his immune system.
Eat them differently. Pedigree. Para iwas
I'm gonna pick Tails Blue. I'm gonna pick this blue shoes Tails.
Combination.
Oh, it's RAR.
Baka ma-dehydrate si Bunso. At iwas dehydration, mag-stuck sa bahay.
Or this one, or Tails Blue. It's RAR again.
Combination. I love styling my hair. Pero pigtas, hair fall, Pantene.
Okay, we're gonna pick this mod.
Make hair strong. Iwas pigtas. Animal style. Nakakahiwa. Baka makita niyo yung underarms ko. Try Nivea Extra Brightening Deo. Get protected and extra bright underarms with 50 times more.
Okay, I have an idea, guys.
Brightening liquid deo brand. Nivea Extra Brightening.
I'm just gonna download this.
Yummy Sunrise Fresh. Don't let that in the bowl.
Now let's go to. You have to download this app named Zaros. Now we have to go there and go to download. Then find the mod that here. This is the two I download. So here and view. Oh, I was wrong, guys. So I'm sorry. You have to go to compress and make it zip. Here, it's zip. Here, it's easy if it's zip because you just have to do this.
How someone put your hair, you can still get sore throat. Fight the symptoms before it gets worse. Take strep symptoms. It is
You just have to do this.
and soothe the throat. It is
Extract it and go to
sore throat.
this RSDK and go to V5 and go to mods and apply it and done. You see, this is the mod now. It's added. And go to Mania and go to your Sonic Mania app.
Sega!
Wow,
And then you can get the mods. You will get this. You have to click in here. When you have to click in here. See, now I'm in it. Now go click mods.
Head and shoulders every day. Save up to 100% dandruff free
And now here it
head and
is.
shoulders.
Tails goggle.
Mahalang hipon na yun, ha? Okay lang, ma. May more shrimp
And,
tayo.
and click the manage mods. Click the manage mods
Kami ni Mama.
3 times. I mean, a lot. Then, go to restart. Go to Zar again and go to download and find your mods in like Zar, like RAR I mean, this and view and do the same thing, multiply select and extract it and oh, I was wrong again, guys. I'm so sorry. I was so wrong again. You have to do this in compress, and then you have to make it zip, and then go and then go to this Speedster Mania last update zip if every mod you like. But now let's go here. And then like this. If it is like this, then it's right. And go to extract again. And then go to Mania last.
What's your ulam? Chicken?
Then go to mods again.
Tara na!
And now you have it.
Nangis ako.
You have it now. And that, guys, that's the end. So goodbye now.